This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable graphics acceleration on the Thorium web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable graphics acceleration, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says System and click on System. Then on the center pane, right down here, use graphics acceleration when available. By default, yours is probably toggled on, as you see mine is, but to turn it off, you just click on the toggle, then you would have to relaunch. And to turn it on, you just toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable graphics acceleration on the Thorium web browser. Thanks for watching.